hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere.
Yes,
Hydrosphere.
it has four
Hydros
elements, right? Hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. Yes, absolutely right.
Major elements of the environment. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the that part of the earth's surface which is covered with water. This sphere includes all the water bodies found on earth. 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. That is why the earth is known as the blue planet. Without water, life is not possible on earth. Water is necessary for water is necessary
Yes, water is
water is
necessary
necessary for
our existence. Our existence. Okay,
our existence. All plants and animals depend
plants
upon
and animal. Yes,
water for their survival. Atmosphere. Atmosphere is the
colorless. What do you pronounce as colorless? What do you say, beta?
colorless,
Yes, absolutely right. Colorless.
yes, odorless layer of gases surrounds the earth. Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Say. Anyone is asking doubt?
ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाती है.
Boys, you're not able to see my screen?
मैम स्क्रीन होती तो भी मैं रीड कर पा रहा हूँ.
हाँ. Who is not able to see? आपका नाम क्या है बेटा?
कुरेश याद.
कुरेश याद. आपको क्या करना होगा? मेरी आइकॉन पे क्लिक किया.
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाती है.
Did-
રમેશનું જે આઈડી છે ને ફોરમ મહેતા એમાં ક્લિક કર, પિન કર દે ચેટને.
किया बेटा? Did you click on Forum Mehta? Then you will be able to see बेटा. दिख रही है आप कुरेश याद? Ahad, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
चलो you
ma'am.
continue. Okay, चलो. Very good.
Atmosphere is like a protective shield which
No,
prevents the harmful rays of the
दिखाता है
sun
अभी भी.
from reaching the Earth's surface. Air is
एक
a very
मिनट.
important part of the atmosphere.
एक मिनट बेटा. I think he's still not able to see. What happened बेटा? कुरेश याद? कुरेश याद, what happened? Can you see now?
हमारी स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाती है.
करना है चैट.
हाँ.
वो बोलता है कि उसको पिन करना नहीं आता.
बेटा आपके पेरेंट्स है
नो
नजदीक
मैम
में?
नहीं दिखाती है.
मम्मी पापा कोई है? उनको बोलिए, वो सिखाएंगे आपको.
यस.
हाँ, तो उनको बोलिए. ठीक है, तो वो आपको सिखाएंगे मेरे आइकॉन पे क्लिक करने के लिए. या ब्रदर सिस्टर हो ना, एल्डर ब्रदर सिस्टर, बड़े भैया बड़े बहन, तो उनको
यस.
बोले. ठीक है. यस बेटा, यू कंटिन्यू.
Atmosphere consists of the number of gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is a
वाइटल.
for the survival of of life on Earth. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the outermost solid surface of the planet, made up of rocks and soil. It is also known as the crust, followed by the mantle and core. All continents, islands, seabeds, and ocean beds are included in the lithosphere. It supports all lands, animals, growth of plants and crops, and all human activities such as farming, mining, and industries. Biosphere. The biosphere includes those parts of the atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, where life exists. Biosphere makes up a very small part of Earth mass.
Each living.
Each living organism has a specific environment in which it exists, which is called eco-
Its ecosystem.
its ecosystem. A healthy environment is
A
important
healthy
for
environment. What it is? Healthy environment.
a healthy environment is important for the existence of all living beings. Human beings use the environment for different activities, and while doing so, they pollute it. Industrial,
Industrialization.
industrialization,
Industrialization.
industrialization, urbanization, and
Urbanization.
urbanization,
Urban nahi, urban.
urbanization, and every increasing population are the factors of pollution. Pollution. Pollution process of making the air, water, land, and soil impure by addition of harmful substances is called pollution.
Okay.
Pol-
Now, wait, beta. Now we saw about the lithosphere, right? The crust. Right? Lithosphere is what, beta? It is the outermost solid surface. Yes, what it is? Outermost solid surface, which includes all. Okay, like mountains, plateaus, plains, continents, islands, है ना? Seabeds, ocean beds, everything it includes, right? In the lithosphere, right? And it supports what, beta? It supports the animal life and the plant life. Growth of plant life, animal life, and human life means what? के पूरा जो सर्वाइवल है ह्यूमन बींग्स का उसको वो सपोर्ट करता है. All the lithosphere, right? Otherwise, where will we do farming? Say, if there is no land, where will we do farming? Where will we get our food from? Yes or no? है ना? So, growth of plants and crops and all human activities. कितने? All human activities are supported by this lithosphere. Is it clear? चाहे वो growth of plants हो, crops हो, on all human activities, farming, mining, and industries. Everything is supported by this lithosphere. Now, what is this biosphere? है ना? We will see that. Yes, biosphere is what? It includes the parts of the atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. क्या क्या include करता है? What does it include, boys? Yes, what does it include? Biosphere includes what, beta? Hello? Hello?
yes, ma'am.
My question, you are not able to listen my question, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
My question is, biosphere includes what all things? Say me.
Biosphere includes those parts of the atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere where life exists.
हाँ, जहाँ पे लाइफ एग्जिस्ट करती है, राइट? सो इट इज द बायोस्फीयर. व्हाट इट इज?
Biosphere.
Yes, it is the biosphere, which includes those parts of the atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere where the life exists. What does it happen, beta?
Life
Where
exists.
the life
Exists.
is absolutely right, where the life exists, right? Now we will see that how all these are environment, and the environment is very important for the existence of all living beings, right? एक तो नहीं पर हर एक लिविंग बीइंग्स के लिए एनवायरमेंट इंपॉर्टेंट है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
यस और नो बॉयज?
Yes, ma'am.
है. और हेल्दी एनवायरमेंट की जरूरत है. कैसा एनवायरमेंट?
Healthy
हेल्दी,
environment.
जिसमें यस जिसमें हमें ना ही हेल्दी फूड मिले बट हेल्दी एयर भी मिले, है ना? हेल्दी एयर मिले, हेल्दी सराउंडिंग्स मिले, एनवायरमेंट मिले. सो बट दिस इज नाउअडेज polluted. What happens? It is nowadays polluted.
Polluted.
है कि नहीं? Yes, it is nowadays polluted. So we will see how different ways, how different things are polluting our environment. Now for that, first we will see what is pollution. See, Pollution is what? The process of making the air, water, land, and soil impure. What is pollution? Making it impure. है ना? उसको गंदा करना. Yes, making it impure for the drinking, for the consuming, for breathing, right? That is called pollution. Different types of pollutions are seen, right? And impure by adding of harmful substance is called pollution. By adding of harmful substance, what it is called? Harmful
Harmful
substance
substance.
is called pollution. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now pollutant क्या है? पढ़ा लो कोनो કેટલો સમય છે?
Pollutant is a substance that
Yes, pollutant is a substance that pollutes, right? 1 minute, 2 times this photo has come. Pollutant is the substance that pollute the environment. What it is? It
pollutes
pollutes.
the
Yes,
environment.
yes, it pollutes the environment. Without and a polluter is who? Like you and me, a human being. Who is he?
A polluter is a person or a factor that pollutes the environment.
Yes. Who is a polluter?
A person or a factor.
Or a factor, right? Which is polluting the environment, which is becoming the reason for the pollution of environment. Is it or is it not? Is it or is it
Yes.
not? Yes. Means हम भी उसमें आ गए. Ahad, me and all those who are present. किसी ना किसी तरह से अगर हमने टैप ओपन रख दिया तो we are polluting water, है ना? We are wasting water. Pollution means not that कि हम लोग water open कर दे तो we are wasting water, but that is also wastage of water is also kind of pollution, no? है ना? Wastage of water भी नहीं करना चाहिए कि करना चाहिए,
हाँ.
है ना? फिर
हाँ.
अगर हम लोग अगर मैं आज स्कूटर लेके आई हूँ, है ना? तो कहीं ना कहीं तरीके से मैं एयर को भी पॉल्यूट कर रही हूँ, है कि नहीं? यस और
Yes,
नो? है ना? अगर मैं साइकिल में आई होती तो मैं नहीं पॉल्यूट करती, है ना?
ma'am.
है ना? सेम तरीके से मैंने आज अगर एक वेफर का पैकेट खाया हो और उसको मैंने गलती से बाहर डाल दिया हो तो
तो वो environment pollution.
हाँ, तो अगेन दैट इज पॉल्यूशन ना, है ना? तो मैंने क्या किया अभी? मैंने पॉल्यूशन किया ना,
हाँ.
है ना? सो दिस वे ऑल ऑफ अस, yes, are a polluter. By some way or the other way we pollute the atmosphere, right?
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Now we will see types of pollution. After seeing who is a polluter, what is a pollutant, and what is a pollution, we
Air
will see,
pollution.
yes, we will see different types of pollutions, how they are caused. Okay.
The
And what are the
contamination
effects of this type of pollutions? And what
types
can
of
and what can one minute beta, and what can one do to avoid this type of pollutions? Is it clear? Now we will see that. Yes, types of pollution.
types of pollution. Air pollution. The contamination of air by toxic gases emitted by vehicles, factories, firecrackers, etc. Is this is called air pollution. There
Yes,
are
what is called
various
air pollution? What is called air pollution?
the contamination of the air by
Contamination. What it is? Contamination.
contamination of air by toxic gases emitted by vehicles,
Emitted.
factories, firecrackers, etc. is called air pollution.
Hmm.
There
Very
are
good.
various factors that contribute to
Contributes.
contributes to air pollution, like burning of wood, coal, and dry leaves.
Yes. So, what is pollution? Air pollution. Now we saw what is pollution. Now we are seeing what is air pollution. Who else will say me what is air pollution? You can also say in your own words and you can also read out from here. कौन बताएगा मुझे?
मैं हम जो धुएं से एयर को गंदा करते हैं ना उसे एयर पोल्यूशन बोलते हैं.
मुझे इंग्लिश में, आई वांट आंसर्स इन इंग्लिश बेटा.
We we with factories and vehicles make smoke. They make
Hmm.
our air pollution unhealthy.
Hmm. Okay. Anyone else will say what is air pollution? What you
अब
can
किसी
also
का
read
माइक
from.
भी अनम्यूट नहीं है.
Yeah. Who will say me? Who is present? Hassan is present.
असल प्रेजेंट होता तो अभी ना बोलता. नहीं है कोई प्रेजेंट.
Why no one is replying except Ahad?
मैम कितने सारे सन प्रेजेंट है बताऊं. मैं तरबूजा रोपी मर्चेंट रेन गबरानी रेन शेख सकीना नयानी समीरा गायन मीरा परियानी जेरीना गोल.
Yes, beta. Reply then. All of you, beta.
8 8 बॉयज है.
रेहान. रेहान reply करो बेटा.
गबरानी रेहान.
घबरानी रेहान. घबरानी रेहान.
मैम मैं चैट बॉक्स में लिख देता हूँ. उन लोग आपकी आवाज
No
आएगी.
problem. चलो. Air pollution. Now, air pollution is what beta? It is the contamination. What it is? It is the contamination of air by toxic gases. Okay. Toxic means which are not good for our health. Okay. Toxic means what? Which are not good for our health. Toxic gases. What are they? Toxic gases emitted by vehicles, then factories, firecrackers, etc. etc. Okay. टॉक्सिक गैसेस आर व्हाट बेटा? जो भी फैक्ट्रीज में से, व्हीकल्स में से जो गैसेस निकलते हैं, है ना, दोज आर कॉल्ड टॉक्सिक गैसेस. व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड बेटा? यस, विच आर नॉट गुड फॉर अस. ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
यस मैम.
So this type of gases are emitted by what? Emitted means which comes out from what? Which comes out from different vehicles like auto rickshaws, bus, scooters, cars, right? Which comes out from all these vehicles. जैसे आप स्कूल में रिक्शा में आते हो तो उससे, है ना, from all these vehicles they emit harmful gases, like
यस
then factories also, then firecrackers also, when you had a Navratri, sorry, Diwali before few days, a month ago, right? So at that time what happened? Okay, there was so much of firecrackers, है ना? So everything was pollution, everything there was pollution, right? So all this
yes.
type, yes, so all this type of pollution does what beta? They
एयर
contribute,
pollution.
yes, they create air pollution, right? There are various factors that contribute to air pollution. Okay, different factors are there, like burning of wood, coal and dry leaves, deforestation, germs, and release of toxic gases from unclean drains and uncovered garbage dumps. All these causes, what causes they causes? Air pollution. Okay. Now effects of air pollution. What are the effects of air pollution? जब इतना सारा air pollution होता है, so it is affected also, right, to us. So how that effects happen of air pollution? Okay, that we will see. Factories release a number of gases which are harmful for human beings. Which are harmful for what, beta? Which are harmful for us, for human beings, right? Plants and animals. Vehicular pollution is a major threat to the environment. The harmful gases released by the vehicles causes cough, nausea, irritation in the eyes, etc. Pollution also causes asthma, skin allergies, infections, etc. Right? So all these are effects of air pollution. What are they, beta? Different effects of air pollution.
Ma'am,
For
your voice
example,
is breaking little bit.
okay, now it will be clear. Okay, factories
Oh,
releases a number of gases. right? Different gases
Number of
because they do different production, huh, which are harmful for human beings, plants and animals. जो हर एक living organisms के लिए it's harmful, it's not good for our health. Then vehicular pollution is a major threat of the environment to the environment. जो vehicle में से जो pollution निकलता है ना, that is the major if threat to the environment. Okay. Now the next is the harmful gases released by the vehicle. जितने भी harmful gases release होते हैं vehicles में से, that causes cough, nausea, इरिटेशन इन द आईज एक्सेट्रा. वो क्या इफेक्ट करते हैं बेटा? आईज में कभी इरिटेशन होता है, ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम्स होता हो जाती है, कफिंग थिंग्स एंड ऑल दिस हैपेंस, राइट? नाउ पॉल्यूशन आल्सो कॉजेस अस्थमा, स्किन एलर्जीज, इन्फेक्शंस एक्सेट्रा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस बेटा, पॉल्यूशन से स्किन एलर्जीज भी कभी कभी हो जाती है, इन्फेक्शंस आर आल्सो स्प्रेड एंड people have problem of breathing problem, a disease called asthma, also because of air pollution. Now we will
well,
see water. हाँ बेटा.
ये ओपी गेमर मर्चेंट आंसर दे रहा है.
What is he saying?
फरहान अली मर्चेंट.
हाँ, Farhan Ali Merchant. He's not. Why he's not speaking and answering?
मैम, his mic is unmute and muted. Mic is unmute and mute.
Okay. Now we will see about water pollution. Okay.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, beta. Read.
Water pollution is a
एक बार
presence of any material.
pollution. Yes. Continue.
Water pollution is the presence of any material in water that is harmful for plants or animals. Various types of pollutants enter water and cause water pollution. Disposal of sewage, dead animals,
Disposal. Disposal नहीं. Disposal.
disposal of sewage, dead animals, industrial waste materials, bathing and washing clothes in rivers are the major reasons of water pollution. Effects of water pollution. Drinking pollute
Yes. Yes. Continue.
Drinking polluted water causes diseases like cholera and jaundice.
Cholera. Cholera नहीं. Cholera. Okay.
Cholera and jaundice. Polluted water
Causes. Causes.
causes great harm to aquatic plants and animals.
Yes. Okay. Now effects of air pollution. Okay. Factories release a number of gases. What do they release? A number of gases. Okay, which are harmful for human. Sorry, we were doing effects of water pollution, right? Now water pollution is the presence of many materials in water. What it is? Many materials, different materials in water. Okay, in water that is harmful for plants or animals. That is what beta? It is harmful to all plants and animals. That is water pollution, right? Plants or animals को जो pollute करता है, right? That is
Yes,
water
ma'am.
pollution. जिसको उनके उनको भी aquatic life जो plants जो पानी में है ना, जो fishes and all this animals which live in water animals, that is aquatic animals, तो water pollution होगा तो उनकी जान को भी खतरा है ना. Yes, they will also die, right? Because of drinking, consuming this, staying in this unhealthy water, right? So various type of pollution. But how this happens? This happens by various types of pollutants which enter water and causes water pollution, right? जिसमें water pollution होता है, right? Which causes water pollution. Now disposal of sewage, dead animals, industrial waste materials, bathing and wasting clothes, in rivers are the major reasons of water pollution. Disposal of sewage, dead animals, right, which are thrown in the water. Then industrial waste. The industries release a large number of waste in the water. Then waste materials. Yes, and bathing and washing clothes. Many a times it happens. People take their kettles to take a bath in water. So bathing and washing of clothes in the rivers are the major reasons for water pollution. Now, what happens because of this? Drinking polluted water causes diseases like cholera and jaundice. What do they cause? Diseases like cholera and jaundice. And polluted water causes great harm to the aquatic plants and animals. What does it cause? A great harm to aquatic plants and animals. So, we saw about the air pollution and water pollution. We'll revise quickly air pollution. Okay. Yes. Can you better revise air pollution for us? Yes, Ahat, can you read better?
Air pollution.
Huh.
Air
Okay.
pollution is a contamination of air by toxic gases emitted by vehicles,
Factories.
factories, firecrackers, etc. is called air pollution.
Yes.
There, there are various factors that contribute to air pollution, like burning of wood, coal, and dry leaves, deforestation, germs, and release of toxic gases from unclean drains and uncovered garbage dumps.
Very good. And now
Effect
the
of
effects of air pollution.
factories release a number of gases which are harmful for human beings, plants, and animals. Vehicular, vehicular pollution is a major threat to the environment. The harmful gases released by the vehicles cause cough, nausea, irritation in the eyes, etc. Pollution also causes asthma, skin
Asthma.
allergies, asthma, skin allergies, infections, etc.
Yes, absolutely right. So, all this is about air pollution. And what are the effects of water pollution?
Drinking polluted water causes disease like cholera and jaundice.
Very good. And the
Polluted
second,
water causes great harm to aquatic animals, plants, and animals.
aquatic plants and animals means what? Aquatic में मतलब पानी के अंदर there is aquatic life also, right? Aquatic plants भी होते हैं, aquatic animals भी होते हैं. So polluted water causes great harm to this type of plants and animals. Yes. एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स को बहुत नुकसान पहुंचाता है वाटर पॉल्यूशन. और ऐसा गंदा पानी पीने से तो हमें तो और डिसीजेस होगी. यस, इफ वी ड्रिंक, इफ वी कंज्यूम सच अ डर्टी वाटर, then we will also have cholera and jaundice type diseases, right? So all this is about uh, uh, air pollution and water pollution which we discussed today. Which two pollution did we discuss today, boys?